everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please do so now. I would greatly appreciate it if you did. Today's video is going to be my first time doing polygel on myself. I've never done this before. This is my very first time, and yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the slip solution that came with this kit. I'm just gonna pour a little bit into the dapping dish, and then we're gonna go in with some nail dehydrator from Model Ones. All the YouTube videos that I've watched definitely suggested that you get a nail dehydrator. This definitely takes off any oils, remaining oils on your nail bed to help the polygel adhere better. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply a small amount to each nail, and then we're gonna get right into it. For this video, I did not have a nail primer. I did purchase one though, and I purchased a new top and base coat as well from Model Ones. If you have not watched my unboxing video, I'll put the link in the description, but the top and base coat that came with this kit is on the small side, so I just purchased more. Alright, so after dehydrating, don't forget to prime, and then you're going to apply a base coat, and you're going to cure that for 2 minutes in a UVB lamp, which I did not do. I totally spaced putting down a base coat. I was so excited to get started. I was not even, my mind was like, do it. So yeah, my pinky did not get a base coat, and it's funny because it popped off later on, so I had to go back in and redo it anyway. But you definitely want to put down your base coat. Don't forget that step, like me. Don't be like me. I am using the color Soft Pink for this video. I love pink. I'm definitely a pink girl. It is the number 2 in this kit. But yeah, you're going to take just a small amount on your spatula and go ahead and dap, pack, whatever you want to call it. Just put it in the form until you get the desired shape and form that you're looking for. I suggest you go in with more product than what I started with, because I had to go back in a few different times, all for this pinky. I started off with not enough product, so it took me a minute to get the desired shape that I was looking for, but it's okay. I'd say take your time and not rush it. Okay. So after getting that desired shape, just gonna pop that bad boy on there. Make sure that you do not go too far down to the cuticle. Apply just a little bit of pressure, and any product that slips off onto your skin, be sure that you clean that up. You want to make sure you flatten the underside if necessary, and then cure for 2 minutes. Alright, as you can see here, I went ahead and did a few other nails, and we are just going to continue on with the process of doing the same thing to the remaining hand. Squeeze out some of that polygel into the spatula, pack it into that dual form, pick up some solution, and start to form. Again, I had a lot of fun doing this. Don't you just love that pink? That pink is so pretty. You know, I plan on adding, gems, glitter, all that down the line. I'm still waiting for all my packages to come. Quarantine has definitely slowed down the process of getting things when you want them, but it's okay. We have a lot of time, honestly. So yeah, I can't wait until I can, do more ideas and different looks and stuff, so it'll be fun. You want to definitely make sure that you get those sidewalls. Sometimes with products that are a little on the transparent side, it's kind of hard to see that product on the sidewall, so you just need to be patient, take your time. And then to your nail, clean up any product that slipped. Make sure that you flatten the underside. You don't want to cure it with it being too thick, because when your nail grows out, that causes problems. So you just want to make sure that you flatten it out. Not too flat though, but move that product around. And then cure for 2 minutes. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, I apologize. My phone died, so I was not able to finish this look on film. It's okay though. I'll make sure that I have enough juice when I do this the next time. But here's the finished look. And being that it was my first time doing this, I think I did a great job. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I am open for change, opinions, all that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.